Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today we are going to talk about the preposition on is used in many different contexts and we are going to look at some of the most common uses with example. Let's get started. Title: The preposition on. The preposition on is used to indicate position, days, and dates, and the state of something being in operation or functioning. First, let's look at how on is used to indicate position. For example, the book is on the table. Here, on tells us where the book is placed. Another example is the cat is sitting on the sofa. On shows the cat's position relative to the sofa. Next, on is used to indicate specific days and dates. For example, she will arrive on Monday. On tells us the exact day she will arrive. Another example is his birthday is on July 10th. Here, on is used to specify the exact date of his birthday. On is also used to indicate something that is operating or functioning. For example, the light is on. On tells us that the light is currently operating. Another example is the TV is on. On shows that the TV is currently functioning and displaying a program. He is watching the program on TV. He is listening to the news on the radio. On can be used to indicate position. The book is on the table. On can be used to indicate dates. For example, her birthday is on 15th of this month. On can be used to indicate days. For example, her birthday is on Monday. On can be used to indicate function or program. For example, the light is on, the fan is on, the motor is on. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.